Channel. If you are into crypto like me, the buckle up because SRP is on fire right now in early January 2026, surging up to 30% with a massive ETF inflows and big leadership of news at Ripple. This is the buzz everyone talking about today. I'm gonna break it down all like we are chatting over coffee, teaching you the key facts so you can sound like a pro with your friends, or maybe you can utilize this to make some profit. So imagine SRP has collapsed and springing finally unleashing. So it's rocketed from around $1.85 at the end of 2025 to over $2.26, which is actually goes around $2.35, which is the highest by January 5. That's a whooping of 30% jump. The trading volume exploded 190%, breaking key resistance level of $2.28 with the price hovering around $2.26 to $2.31 right now amidst some pullback. This isn't random. The retail traders sold low in December, but institution brought in big, proving once again that patience pays off in crypto. Picture this, the Wall Street giant pouring a cash into SRP ETF like it's the hottest ticket in town. 46 billion inflow on January 5 alone, pushing inflows past around $1.37 billion with 29 straight days of gains. This US spot ETF now holding a net asset over 1.65 billion, tightening a supply, driving demand as more big players bet on SRP for cross-border payments. It's like a fuel on a rally, folks. This institution money is what's separating this surge from past pumps. So now let's talk about a Ripple drama. A long-time CTO David, the genius behind SRP Ledger, just stepped into it and joined the board after 13 years. He built a Ripple payment tech from the ground up, and this move signal a smooth transition between new engineers led by Danish and taking over. No panic, just evolution as SRP eye of global expansion. This news dropped early January, adding to the bullish vibe as the company charged into a 2026 stronger. Ho- Hold into your seats. Standard Chartered Bank forecast SRB gonna hitting $8 by end of 2026, powered by 4 to 8 billion in ETF inflows and clearly US risks like Clarity Act treating digital asset as a community. More conservative call is 3.40 cent to 5 cent, but with the 29% weekly gain already, SRP undervalued utility in payment could make it outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. Think about it, a real world use plus Wall Street cash, right? This recipe for the moonshot potential. They have it a fame. SRP breaking news in real time from surge of ETF leadership win, all setting up to the massive 2026 game. Drop a like if you're fired up with this. Subscribe for daily SRP news. Comment for SRP price target below. What's your move, hold or trade? See you in the next one, guys.